I made this colored pencil tutorial with AI, then I used it to draw. Here's exactly how. Every week, AI designs my drawing lesson. I follow it step by step, just like you will. This is week 1. From the color palette to facial analysis, skin tones, temperature shifts, edges, and values, everything is broken down into a clear, structured process. Each step is explained in a way that beginners can confidently follow, without guessing or relying on intuition. You'll know exactly what to do, stroke by stroke, layer by layer. Now, let's draw together. If you want to create this kind of texture too, you don't need to keep pausing their video and guessing the steps. The complete guide, including the ready-to-color line art, is linked in the description. If this helped you, leave a like so I know to make more for you.